Cool. So congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so excited for you.
Thanks.
All right. So we got to tell your story about how you purchased this awesome investment opportunity.
Yeah. So as of November 18th, you can now get into a 2 to 4 unit multifamily owner occupied for 5% down. So right when I heard about that, that was my next step to get one more owner occupied house before quitting my W-2 job. So I did just that. In an area that maybe I wouldn't have usually bought, but for the time I had to buy it, it works for me. Other than that, I also did ask for seller concessions. So we had max seller concessions of 3% going towards my closing costs, which is lowering my all-in cost for this property. That got me $3,600 down towards my closing cost. And lastly, I'm all into this property for just over $9,000. So not too bad.
Yeah. So you not only got it for under market value because you didn't pay full asking either.
Yes.
So, and with seller concessions, it was a fun negotiation. Honestly, for me, it was fun to get you that. But you did your research, so
Yes.
You knew what you were getting into. You knew exactly what you were doing because this is what your third house hack.
This is my third house hack. Yes.
Yeah. So can you tell a little bit like what exactly house hacking is?
So house hacking, there's multiple different ways of house hack. I have been buying single families and having a roommate or two, lowering my out-of-pocket expense, sometimes living for free. This property, after getting it up to market value, because now this is a duplex, I still am going to have a roommate in the 2-1 that I'm living in, this part, and I have a 1-1 upstairs. After getting rents up to market rent or close to it, I should essentially live for free or maybe make $100 a month.
And every single month, you're having someone buy down your equity.
Yes.
Which is beautiful. And you get all of the tax write-offs by owning an investment property.
Sure do. And now that I'm moving out of my last house hack, that is now becoming a rental, rented out for February 1st. So that's going to make me about $550 a month as well.
Boom. That is amazing.
Pretty good switch.
Yeah. And then you bought a house in North Carolina?
Yes.
Yeah, or an investment property, not a house.
I bought an investment property in North Carolina as well.
At the same time.
Well, that made this close a little bit delayed. You're supposed to close November 30th, and well, the seller stuck with it, and we closed about a month later.
Yeah.
I had to get my debt to income ratio back where it needed to be, as I bought a property for $450,000 down in North Carolina.
Right, which you did super savvy, but that's for another YouTube video to come.
Yes, we do not have enough time for that here.
Yeah. So if you want to know more about Paul's story about all of your investment properties and what you do to get it done, house hacking, follow him on YouTube.
Yes.
And if you need any real estate help, I'm Kit Custer with the Easy Sales Team, the
She's
#1
awesome.
team in the state of Ohio. So follow me as well.
Thanks.